Magic Kingdom! Hello and welcome to Lauren's Travels. This is a special video. I am celebrating my birthday with my friends at Disney World. We are starting at Magic Kingdom, ending at Epcot, and then we get to stay here at Port Orleans Riverside in one of the princess rooms. So I'm very excited. Come along with me for a very fun, magical day. And I'm here today with the first timer. Hi. What do you think of the castle so far?
Beautiful.
Yes.
Very special presentation.
I've got one thing on my mind for breakfast. Pro tip that if you are getting food from Sleepy Hollow, that area fills up pretty quickly. And I am here kind of behind like the Christmas store, and there's tons of tables and benches over here no one knows about. So just a little pro tip there, but I came here for one thing. And that is the Nutella waffle. I haven't had this in so long, and I am ready to dig into this. This is a nice balanced breakfast for a fun, magic-filled day. First ride of the day, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. I haven't been on this in so long. I'm so excited. I am so freaking hyped.
I'm so excited.
Digitized into the world of Tron.
Just got off Tron. That ride was amazing. I would definitely do that ride again. Woo, what an adrenaline rush. I have woken up for the day. I'm revisiting an old classic, but they've added something new to it. It's time to go on the Haunted Mansion and see the Hatbox Ghost.
Oh, sorry.
Doing some cosmic rays for lunch. Just got a lemonade and some chicken tenders. Nothing too fancy because honestly Epcot is where I'm gonna go crazy with food. It's kind of a busy day today, but we've been able to knock out a lot of attractions. We're about to go on Little Mermaid, and we just did Fill Our Magic. But somebody in our group has a disability pass, so that's how we've been able to get through a lot of these lines. And we did a virtual queue sign up for Tron, so that's how we were able to get on that one earlier.
Next laryngitis, the poche to me.
Let's hear it for Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse.
After Magic Kingdom, it's Epcot! Epcot!
That's actually chocolate.
I've never done a ton.
As long as you enjoy what you're doing.
I know, it's you know, doesn't matter.
Starting with Mexico in the Festival of the Arts, I got the carne asada, and I've been really wanting to try that smoky banana bliss margarita. Yes, margarita! Eating steak on top of a trash can. Whoop, whoop. I love you. Wouldn't be a trip to Epcot without visiting here. We made it to France through tons and tons of people trying to find some food, maybe some sandwiches. Everything is just busy and super long lines. Yes, 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 yes. I'm gonna go creme brulee on this one. Food time. Kind of not impressed with the queue, but this part's cool. I think maximum we waited was about 20 minutes with the with the virtual queue, not lightning lane. That was such a cute ride. I would do it again. It did remind me of Spider-Man. Doesn't that remind you of Spider-Man?
It did. Yes, it did. Some artists are legendary.
Another new thing to me, The Journey of Water, inspired by Moana. This is a outdoor interactive water exhibit. Thankfully, you don't get wet. You do have the chance, I think. But this seems so cute so far, especially at night, all lit up. Yes. And after a much successful Disney day and like 20,000 steps later, we are heading back to the hotel. I am going to share more of that with you in another video, so please stay tuned, and I will see you next time on Lauren's Travels.